Alright guys, welcome back to another episode of Off Axis Builds. We got our Monday meetup. Gonna be discussing the Wednesday video. It's how I mounted this license plate. Go through full detail on that on the video. But got some comments on Facebook on where I should mount it. And someone actually commented that I should put it up above the engine. I actually like that location. Let's go ahead and show you where my original thought was. My original thought was to either mount it underneath here, but I thought it would hang too low to the ground. Second thought was to put it right here. So I posted that on Facebook and got a lot of comments on that. Everyone kind of went with putting it here, but someone actually mentioned to put it up here. And so tried it up there, and I think it fits nicely. It tucks up underneath there, and it fits the car nicely, so that's where I went with it. Alright guys, remember to like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you on that Wednesday video. Alright guys. Alright guys, so I chose to mount the license plate above the engine. I like that location just because you could easily see it from behind the car. I tucked it up underneath. I guess it would be not really a fan shroud, but underneath this vent, and then right above the fan shroud. What I wound up doing, like I said, I still have to do some touch-up paint on it, but what I wound up doing was welding on to the two brackets that hold your hinge springs. Okay, I put it at an angle so it would tuck nicely behind the fan shroud. I just wanted that look. I mean, I could have put it out like this, but I decided to go backwards with it. I also put this LED light on it. This light is going to have the white light to illuminate the license plate, as well as a brake light. And I believe it might even have a running light. I'm not sure. We'll find out when I actually wire it in. But in any case, that is what this Wednesday video is on how I installed that. This light has a special, not really special, but this cool little feature to it. This water jet looks like a little spider web. So you can probably tell that it's not really centered. I still need to do some final adjustment on the license plate alignment. But that's not too hard to do later. So, and then obviously got the wire here for the light. And so anyways, check out that Wednesday video. I look forward to seeing you guys over there, and how I installed that, how I made the bracket, and all that. Got one other thing for you guys here. Let's go ahead and take a look at it. These are the two rear quarter panels that cover those two openings on the left and right of the back seat. Originally, I was going to go with green on these, but I decided to tie in some of the details from outside of the car to these two panels, also to try to get some more color in the back of the car. Let's go ahead and take a look at the car, and I'll tell you what I mean. All right, guys, so that is where that quarter panel is going to be going. It's not in the final resting place. I didn't want to squeeze it into there. I still got to do a little bit of trimming on the carpet, but that is where it's going to be. Originally, like I said, I was just going to put green back there, but I think adding that little red detail kind of ties into the outside of the car a little bit. Just kind of adds to the look. So in any case, got that for both sides. I don't have this one in right now, but you can get the picture of what it's gonna look like. All right, guys. All right, guys, thanks for watching another episode of Off Axis Builds. We got that Wednesday video coming up at 8 o'clock in the morning. Remember to check it out. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. And the whole purpose of this Monday meetup is to answer questions. So feel free to drop a few questions in the comments below, and we'll, I'll answer it on the next video. All right, guys. Remember, it's built, not bought. See you on the next one.